Thank you very much for logging on to the Big Red 4, fox4now.com. We had an area of low pressure in place close to the Panhandle throughout the day on Tuesday. You can kind of see the spin in the atmosphere right here. That low is weakening and starting to pull out, but it was important as far as our forecast Tuesday went. Brought us the onshore wind. And that onshore wind made sure that most of the showers and thunderstorms that did develop were well east of I-75. Remember that trend. Let's go to the tropics right now because the National Hurricane Center watching two areas of cloudiness. The first one close to Bermuda, about 250 miles away. They say there's about a 40% chance for development here over the next 48 hours, but once it starts to move, because right now it's basically stationary, it's going to move to the north, not a Florida problem. Here's one that's kind of interesting. Used to be a tropical storm, now just a tropical depression. Tropical depression Grace, well, as it deals with more dry air and stronger upper level winds, going to be downgraded to a remnant low by later this week, so that's not anything Florida needs to worry about either. Rest of the tropics right now are quiet and should stay quiet for the next 48 hours. So our atmosphere is actually going to stay on the dry side over the next couple of days as high pressure starts to build in at the mid and upper levels. The dominant wind is again going to be that onshore sea breeze that I talked about. It'll develop pretty quickly, even around the noon hour. Okay, here's your sea breeze, but look what happens as far as the later afternoon goes. That sea breeze pushing most of the rain inland, east of I-75. That's where the chance for rain is going to be the highest for us throughout the day on Wednesday. Thursday looks like a repeat performance. We'll start with sunshine. Any of the bigger showers and thunderstorms are going to be mainly inland, especially by the mid to late afternoon. So our forecast calls for drier than normal weather close to the coast over the next couple of days. By Friday, chance for rain going back up to about 40%. And Saturday looking like the wetter of the two weekend days. Numerous showers and thunderstorms on Saturday. Then the chance for rain goes down a little bit by Sunday afternoon. That's your Storm Patrol forecast on the Big Red 4, fox4now.com.